Saturday. Took the day off yesterday, but we're back. You know already what's up if you've been around where we're going. My phone knows it's Roma Joe's grocery shopping time. But today is Dylan's cousin Julia's wedding. We can't be there, but they sent us these masks in the mail, and so we're gonna wear these today in honor of wishing we could be at the wedding right now.
Congratulations, guys.
Yes, congratulations. We hope you had an amazing day. We can't wait to watch later.
Very true.
Because we're watching a live stream of it. Let's go get some coffee.
Let's do it. So much. Like the firefighter. Or are those, what is it? Pipe fitters. Oh.
Pipe fitters.
Pipe fitters? What does it sound like?
They fit in pipes?
No. I can.
They fit pipes. I don't know. Pipe fitters? What? I don't know. What is it?
I guess we'll have to find out. Look it up. There's pipe fitters that worked on the shipyard.
They fit pipe. I don't know. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
There's some coffee.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You.
A pipe fitter or steam fitter is a trade person who installs, assembles, fabricates, maintains, and repairs mechanical piping. They fit pipe. They make pipes fit.
So yes, not really. It's not literally one thing. It's like.
Heading to get haircuts. Yay! And we have donations for Toys for Tots. We have like 3 bags.
Yeah. We actually have a decent amount.
Which is really cool.
It's exciting. Could get some kiddos some toys.
Get haircuts. I really need a trim bad, so I'm gonna get a trim. Dylan's gonna get his haircut.
Need it badly.
Hi guys, so we got our haircut and then we've just been chilling, but now it's lunchtime. What are you having?
Burrito. Look.
No, get it away. He's twisting his hairs. I'm having Trader Joe's veggie fried rice, and I'm gonna make a little veggie tray thing to bring to watch the wedding. So I just have 2 peppers, I have some leftover carrots, I got another cucumber, we got some more crackers, we got the rosemary crisp this time, adding an egg for some protein. I'm definitely not doing this right, but oh well. I'm just like mixing it in with the rice. And we're done. Today's lunch brought to you by Trader Joe's frozen section.
Trader Joe's frozen section.
Okay, this is it for crackers. I'm just gonna put the crackers on once we get there, but it looks so good. People are definitely out Christmas shopping today.
Yes, they are.
It is busy. We're at the Kittery Trading Post. We were thinking of just getting someone that mountain lion. What do you think?
I think we should get the moose.
Maybe the moose? Are they for sale?
I don't think so.
Looking around.
Actually, let's go back.
This way?
Yeah. Okay. It's up to there.
Back from watching the wedding. It was so cute. Julie looks so gorgeous. Unfortunately, we couldn't hear the ceremony. We could see it, but it was still really fun to go over, and there was some snacks, and yeah, it was a good time. I got this Amazon box. I'm gonna open it because I don't know what it is. I know I ordered stuff, but I can't remember what I ordered. I think it's gift for Dylan. Ah, yes. That is a gift for Dylan. So yeah, we had a bunch of like snacks while we were there, so I don't think we're gonna do like a dinner. It's almost 6 o'clock, so I might put on my pajamas and then wrap some gifts. Maybe watch the Christmas movie on. That sounds like a plan to me. Hey!
Sorry for the intrusion, folks, but Christmas is in trouble.
Right now. Yes. This is your home.
No, you don't understand. I live in Manhattan.
Guys, I've literally used I've used this twice, and that's all there is. This was $3. Are you kidding? Black and red it is then. And I don't have any bows. I don't know why I'm doing that angle. I switched to watching Vlogmas videos because I just wasn't paying attention to the movie. I'm so mad. That's all there is. Okay, I guess Dylan's gonna have to get some bows if he wants to wrap. Realizing we need a lot more than just wrapping paper and like one thing of tissue paper. This is like the first time I've been out of the house and like buying my own wrapping paper and stuff. So like I'm used to, if I need a box, like one of those, you know, like the clothing boxes, like if I need one of those, we've always had like a million at my parents' house, so I'd just like go downstairs and get one. But now I don't have any, and I feel silly buying them because like I know how many we had at my parents' house and how many we'll probably get from Christmas, but we gotta buy them, I guess. And I'm so sad about my ribbon, but I think we're gonna get more of that tomorrow. I need ribbon and bows, boxes, probably more tissue paper. So cute. Like, hi, look at this like red and white with the little plaid. That's so adorable. Okay, this is the progress. Our tree looks so cute with presents underneath it. And I was just sitting here for so long making a story. Oopsies. Okay, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'm posting a lot of stories, especially with Vlogmas going on right now. That was a picture from the Christmas party. I just spent so long making this story. I think it came out really cute, but go follow me on Instagram to see cool stories like this and to vote and things like this. But I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm done wrapping for the night. We're gonna hopefully finish our Christmas shopping tomorrow and then get more stuff so I can wrap the rest of the presents. And I need to wrap Dylan's too. That might happen like when I get back. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun vlog. We're gonna go back into town with my parents and finish up our gingerbread house hunt and then get some lunch or dinner or something. And I'm really excited for tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If Ben or Julia are watching this, congratulations. I hope you had an incredible day. We wish we could be there so badly. Julia looked absolutely stunning. Make sure to subscribe down below, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you